Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch a Blu-ray or DVD on your Xbox One. Coming up next in this Xbox tutorial. So watching a Blu-ray or a DVD on your Xbox One is very easy. However, there's one thing you need to get before you can start watching your favorite movie. So on my screen right now is the Blu-ray player application. It looks just like this. It says Blu-ray. And you will need to get this before you can start watching a DVD or a movie. Now, if you're inserting a disc, this should pop up automatically and go to the Microsoft Store where you can get this and install it on your Xbox One. But I'll show you how to do that right now. So if I go ahead and press the Xbox button on our controller, open up this guide menu, then go down to Store, select A on this. Then go down to search and just type in Blu-ray player. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So once you type in blue, it should start popping up. It'll say this, Blu-ray player application. It'll just be a blue application with the word Blu-ray disc on it. So let's select A on this. So here is the application. Go ahead and get it and install it on your Xbox One. And now it's going to be on your home screen here. Alright, so now all you have to do before you can start watching a movie is you'll need to launch this application. So let's go ahead and just open this application. Now go ahead and put your Blu-ray or your DVD into your Xbox One and it should automatically start playing. So watching movies on your Xbox One is very easy. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.